It's strange that my job asked me to take care of the tool room. But far from the city, although I will have to be official. It can't be again. My stomach is falling ill. The bad thing is that the room where I take care of him does not have a bathroom. Something went wrong. I must see something eaten. Although today only half a glass of raw eggs, I think it gave me an upset stomach. I don't know if there is a bathroom on this avenue. I will have to put up with the diarrhea. Heavens, until there is a chemical bath. I'll have to go to the bathroom. Okay, I'll just have to suck it up. I finally made it to the bathroom, but I can't get there. I have to hold my belly. I keep grunting until I fart. I think the raw eggs gave me diarrhea. I think my stomach doesn't want to stay there.